Y'all tell me these do not look good. Look at these. I mean golden, stacked, and breakfast perfection. These are sausage, egg, and hash brown McMuffins that I meal prepped, wrapped, and froze so my husband can grab one and go in the mornings. And trust me, they taste just as good as they look. These are perfect for that busy morning. Once you've wrapped and froze, all you have to do is reheat and go. No skipping breakfast. No stopping for fast food, and it saves so much time during the week. And this right here, y'all, is my new toy. I picked this professional countertop griddle up, and I am already obsessed with it. It gives me so much space to cook everything at once, which makes meal prep way easier. So y'all, let's start with those hash browns. Crispy hash browns are a must for a good breakfast sandwich. I let them cook until they were golden and crispy. Season them on both sides. This adds so much texture to your sandwich. Come on. It's my time. It's my time. Last chance to get these things rolling. Okay, y'all, so now let's get started with those sausage patties. We're going to let them cook until they are nicely browned and cooked through. You know, I love using my griddle for this because everything is going to cook evenly and there's going to be no overcrowding. Now, y'all, it's time for those eggs. I like to keep them simple and seasoned lightly since everything else already has that flavor. So cooking them on the griddle makes it easy to keep them uniform, which is perfect for these sandwiches. These are perfect for anyone with those busy mornings or early working days. Let me know in the comments if you do breakfast meal preps. And don't forget, y'all, to like and subscribe.